Hello, I'm James O'Neill, and I'll be your guide as we go back through time and uncover exciting surprises and a wealth of history that the Charles Hammond House has to show us during its renovation. Thank you for joining us for another segment of the Charles Hammond House.
I'm over at the Charles Hammond House, taking a look at the work that the team has been in removing the siding. And you can see the old paint that was still here. You know, for the house to have weathered this much by the time the siding was put on, because we're detecting very little paint. The only little bit of paint is left is right there where it's just definitely protected from the elements coming down onto it. But it's going to take a couple steps to repair, and because I don't want to pull any of this down, we're going to have to just compensate on the inside with the heating capacity, make sure it's nice and comfortable on the inside. More of the trim on the fascia and the soffit there. We know that was a more recent repair, or probably an addition when that back porch was actually closed in. This room, I believe, is original. It has the same siding, but we can see where the siding is a little different going to that area, and we can see how bad it has deteriorated compared to the original heart pine. So again, that wood, that very old wood, a very dense wood that has lasted since this house was built, and of course the record is not that clear. The house could be as old as 1765. The tax records show 1775, and we know a major renovation addition like this porch here, now we're on the north side of the house, was added in 1830. So a lot has happened with this house. I'm trying not to step on a nail. And this is another feature that now we can see evidence of when the house was apartments. Apartment 3 and 4 went through this door to get upstairs. This unit was apartment 2, and the base of the house is apartment 1 that entered through the front door. We'll go back to the other side and show you where we saw 2. But on this side of the house, we can see there's dental molding here. So we're going to try to keep that element on this side of the house where we can see it in abundance. But again, look at the trim work. And now we can see a closer view of the trim work up under the fascia here. I'm sorry, up under the soffit. And of course, we have the ghost images of what trim used to be there. I think we have an idea what the top trim may look like, but again, what the original trim up under that cap looked like, we're going to have to guess a little bit because there's not much of it left. And then a repair was done when these columns were added. Another testament to how strong and durable that wood is. You can see how the base of that has completely just deteriorated away. That's probably a pine, a yellow pine that they used. But here's the original wood, and it's solid. And again, that wood we know is 1830s. So just wanted to show you what I'm looking at. I'm just in awe. So we can see a little bit more of the trim left on an addition, and I'm thinking that that may have been added on in the 70s. We're going to try to work with that structure to tie it better into the house. But very humbling. A lot of stories here.